This is the best flat iron slash curling iron that you'll ever use. This is the Tymo Airflow curling iron. Let me show you 2 ways you can style your hair.
First, let's start with curling the hair. To curl the hair, you want to gently glide the iron towards the ends of the hair with slow movements so you can get nice defined curl. Just that simple turning motion is giving me quick curls that are going to last for a few days. Great thing about this is you can use this on short hair or long hair.
I love that loose curl look. Let's say you like that loose curl look a lot, or you like a straight look, but you want to lock that in. That's where the cooling feature comes in.
Here's where we get to the best part. I have the airflow feature on, and as you can see, my hair looks shiny. It is also locking in the style, and even though my hair is not straight, it is straightening it and curling it at the ends to give me that nice and beautiful, full and bouncy look. There's absolutely no snagging doing this, and I don't even need to have my hand on the clamp to get to the ends. That's how easy this glides through the hair. And I love that the airflow feature also allows you to keep your style for over 48 hours.
So tell me, which one do you like better? Because I can see myself rocking both with this baby. My hair has body, it looks shiny, it looks very nice and well done, as if I got that salon look right from home. And then on this side, you got the nice, luxurious, loose curls. This is the next big thing. You gotta check it out. I'll leave that link down below for you. Bye.